Hello, everyone. My name is Tyler. I'm here today to talk about my Capstone project regarding relationship building. But before that, let me briefly introduce myself to you guys. As you can see, my name is originally pronounced Tianyang Wang, and I choose to go as Tyler for short. I'm from Beijing, China. I attended undergraduate school at University of Colorado Denver. After that, I went to the University of Denver to pursuing my graduate degree concentrating in marketing communication. I used to be a Wells Fargo teller, had some hands-on experience on direct selling techniques. I was the number one teller in sales in my district and got promoted to personal banker within 7 months. Now, being a full-time student, I'm part-timing at Chengsu Ha Insurance Agency as an insurance agent. So, I think marketing communication is an activity that adopting different medium to exchange the information about their product and services to the customers. By exchanging the information, we can start to understand customers' perceptions and their needs to the brand. We can also deliver the brand image to the customer in a way that we expect for them how to accept and respect. Such interaction will help companies strengthen their communication level and start bonding with the customers. After reviewing my annotation and reflection assignment, I identified that the marketing communication courses has really laid the foundation for me on how to build up the relationship with the customers. And for me, this would also be my professional challenge. For example, when learning COM 4301, branding and marketing and positioning, COM 4324, web analytics, and COM 4905, research manager and storytelling, the first task of all of the assignments, the first task of all of the final assignments was always asking me to investigate the customer and understanding customers' needs in a qualitative and quantitative way. As a professional communication marketer, I have to know how to strengthen relationships with the customers, which can be transferred into business relationships. This requires me to always understand the needs of the customer and knowing how to trigger their interest. The branding class has taught me the importance of the customer engagement. The key takeaway is always having the customers engaged in shaping the brand image in order to deepen the brand's connection with the customers. The stronger the relationship between the customer and the brand, the more customer stickiness attached to the brand. The marketing analytics class has taught me how to use data analysis to understand customers' needs and provide a satisfactory service to our customers. The storytelling class, on the other hand, has taught me how to persuade the audience with data visualizations, and ultimately establish a strong connection with the audience. According to Forbes Community Voice, the article mentioned that one of the trends that shaping marketing in 2019 is the growth of content marketing. I agree with this statement because the attractive content marketing can always help us increase brand awareness while getting backlinks to help brands better connect with the customers. The article also mentioned one of the trends is integrated social media, online and mobile marketing. I think this factor is also important because as the network develops, people will increasingly rely on new media. How to conduct effective new media marketing is something that every single organization needs to consider. Good integrated marketing will help organizations deliver unified information and effectively shape their brand image. With the development of the internet, the way of marketing has also undergone tremendous changes. Traditional marketing is relatively more focused on the user's arrival rate, the circulation in newspapers and magazines, the audience rating of TV broadcasting, and the number of the visits on the website. Traditional marketing is mainly a one-way output marketing method. Companies put advertising or PR articles on the media who covers a lot more audience to get more customers and potential buyers. Compared with traditional media, new media marketing pays more attention to users. Due to the rise of the internet, marketing audience can more easily interact with the brand, and companies can easily access users and collect user information. For For new media marketing, fostering user engagement is critical. By studying graduate program, I can use the course concepts, skills, and competence I have learned in the course to address the challenges. For example, first, by learning COM 4301 branding market positioning, I learned how to use the concept of brand management to organize a company's marketing strategy. That is, to establish a brand customer relationship through appropriate marketing methods. The relationship between the consumer and the brand reflects a kind of trust and satisfaction from customers to the brand. And for the brand, it's a value and return that the consumer brings to it. Once the brand relationship is formed, the brand loyalty will increase and create greater business value. Branding management taught me to let brand represent customers who recognize brand awareness and are willing to use brand awareness to express their own opinions. Tesla, in the case, will be a great example, in my opinion. As people know, Tesla Motor is a car manufacturing company who only focus on producing electric vehicles. From day one, they have used social media, advertising on the internet to broadcasting their product and connects their brand with environmental protections. As it turns out, more and more general public start following the brand and purchasing their products only because of they think the Tesla brand can represent them as people that cares about the environment. But in fact, electric motor aren't necessarily reduce the pollution because the electric plant is still another major reason of the pollutions. But people don't see that part because they only can see what the Tesla want them to see under their marketing strategy. Now let's move to data. In my opinion, data is the foundation of business activities. By learning COM 4324 Web Analytics, I learned how to use data analysis skills to collect customer information, analyze customer behavior, and maintain relationships between the company and its customers. For example, in the assignment of marketing analytics course, I learned that a successful website would like to collect users' email information. For example, by creating an account to get a discount code and send the marketing campaign information to users on a regular basis. This approach can help company retain customers while avoiding customers losing contact with you and turning to the competitors. Besides, by using Google Analytics, we can see the customers login frequently, login time period, and landing area. Such data can help us design more targeted marketing solutions to build the customer relationship. For example, company can set up a point strategy for long-term customers, such as frequently visitors, and start bonding between customers and business. Now let's move to the research method. By studying COM 4905 research measures storytelling, I learned how to combining qualitative and quantitative research methods. By completing this assignment, I learned to organize focus groups, a method of qualitative research. In the process, I need to invite customers to conduct face-to-face interview and record their subjective perspective of the topic. Through communication with the customers, we can receive customers' feedback and their perception of the company directly, while deepen customers' engagement and customer loyalty. I'm currently working on a 10-week internship. My mission is to act as a marketing specialist for Chengsu Ha Insurance Agency, launching a marketing campaign for the firm and opening new markets territories in Denver. At present, the biggest achievement I had is that many customers start to recognize me. I started to build my own customer base and bonding relationship with the customers. During the process, I have used the course concepts to solve practical challenges. For example, part of my marketing campaign is to sign a customer survey to collect customer information. In this part, I used the skills of the research method I learned to create a questionnaire. I converted the subjective question with the Likert scale, allowing me to collect data that can be quantified. By learning COM 4116, persuasion method and technique, I used the communication skill learned in the course to help me build relationship with the customers. For example, during the conversation, I always pointing out the scarcity of their current situation. introduce the benefit and unique about my proposition, and show my authority by explaining insurance terms. When I'm consulting with clients, I pay a lot of attention to the ways of communication. I use a kind and warm tone to explain complex insurance terms to the client, and in the conversation, I have not put any pressures on the customers, forcing them to make any decisions. Those communication skills make the customer trust me and help me build a long-term good relationship with my customers. So I think overall, all of the class has helped me tremendously, and I think this experience is going to be very valuable to me in the future. And thank you for listening.